I just want to mention a couple of developments over the last day and a half. The first one dealing with the geopolitical tension and the regional developments. So we had a very detailed meeting. I'm not going to go into the politics of it and the implications around foreign policy, because those are being handled well and in good hands. But certainly the implications or possible implications for our country on the economic side. So we had very detailed discussion yesterday morning with all the stakeholders in terms of scenario planning and what we need to do to ensure that we have enough stocks, we have a good view on the pricing across asset classes, and we are well prepared for any eventuality. So I just want to again assure everyone that we are in good place, because hope is not a strategy. And therefore you have to plan for every possible eventuality. And as it was mentioned yesterday, Alhamdulillah, we are in a good place with respect to the actions we might need to take in case things go towards further escalation. I hope they don't. The second part has to do with our ongoing discussions and negotiations on US tariffs. Late last night, I had a very constructive and positive call with US Commerce Secretary Lutnick, and again, I think both countries have come to moving towards the right direction in terms of ensuring that Pakistan is in a good place on a competitive basis when it comes to US tariffs. And more importantly, we continue to move forward in terms of the strategic partnership between Pakistan and the US. Now, back to the topic at hand. I started my budget speech that we are going to stay the course in terms of structural reforms. उस structural reforms में taxation है, energy, SOEs, and then we have also this time around done a very, very fundamental reform, which is around tariffs and how we want to move the country towards a more competitive economy, and how we are going to bring down the wall of protection so that our industry moves forward and our export industry moves forward. It's in that context that we talked about public finance as well, and in terms of what we're doing, how the policy rate comes down, but going forward, how we are also going to create the alpha so that whatever we do in terms of liability management, we can help secure funding for additional sectors which require attention as we move forward and create that fiscal space. It's in that context that pension and pension reform comes in. As Chairman SCCP mentioned, and I'm so happy to hear that it's actually Salmi Sheikh who put us on this track. He was my first boss at Citi when I started my career several decades back, and what a wonderful man and what a wonderful professional. Allah Ta'ala unki darajat buland kare. But we have to take it forward, and therefore we started with, back in July 1, 2024, कि हमने last budget में ये announce किया था कि all colleagues joining in the federal government on the civil side will be moving towards defined contribution. और उसकी एक वजह है जो इस बजट में भी नजर आती है. Even before we start tackling the legacy issue in terms of unfunded liability, we had to stop the bleeding. और वो अगर आप इस साल का बजट भी देखते हैं तो the pensions have crossed $1 trillion. It's more than our development budget for the federal government. And therefore, the question of sustainability comes up at the macro level. And therefore, the urgency that we deal with it. और जो आपने अभी transition की बात की है, मैं उसमें I will come back to that in a moment. But it's not only about the macroeconomics and what we do and what we have to deal with at the federal government, क्योंकि उसमें, as I mentioned, sustainability की बात है, government के funds की predictability और cost management की बात है. But I think also at an individual level, as you move from defined benefit into defined contribution, I do, और आप इसको debate करेंगे, आप इसको discuss करेंगे during the day, that the employee empowerment bit, right, in terms of building and managing their own retired savings. फिर उसका जो एक दूसरा element है, which is around portability across roles and regions. So this is, from my perspective, I do think is an important element of what it means for our colleagues who are going to be on this scheme as they go forward. Now, coming back to the budget for a moment, because what we still need to do is we do the right things. So we have announced that the pension of our colleagues who have retired will go up by 7% in line with the inflationary trend. Because कहीं ना कहीं तो हमें ये benchmark करना जो है बहुत ज़रूरी है. And again, from an equity perspective, we have imposed or suggested to impose to the Parliament a 5% tax on pensions above 10 million, while protecting low and middle income pensioners. So I think both of these will have to go hand in hand. जहाँ तक fiscal incentives के chairman साहब आपने बात की है, that because we are in the budget season, we have noted what you have said, but at this point in time we are quite involved with both the Senate Finance Committee and the National Assembly Finance Committee, so it will be premature for me to say anything around that. लेकिन इसमें मैं सिर्फ ये मेंशन करना चाहता हूँ कि अभी जो फेडरल गवर्नमेंट है उसने ये पिछले साल से we initiated this discussion, but I do want to acknowledge the provinces because they took the lead. और मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि हमें सूबों से सीखना चाहिए, because if one province has taken the lead in terms of, for example, public-private partnership, I think we should learn from that experience. इसी तरह another province has already taken the lead in terms of taking the defined contribution forward. और मैं इसमें कोई मुझे इसमें मुज़ायका नहीं है कहने का कि सिंध से हमें सीखना चाहिए from PPP, and KPK clearly took the lead in terms of moving towards this sort of pension model as well. So I think it's great that the provincial representatives are here today, जिनसे आपकी ये इंट्रोडक्शन आगे जाएगी. देखिए, ये किसी रिफॉर्म को इंट्रोड्यूस करना I think is one aspect of it. Making a real success out of it for all stakeholders has to be the ultimate aim. तो इसमें ये जो आपका जो आज का टॉपिक है, which is transitioning, tariff reform की बात हुई है, it's a very fundamental change in terms of how we are bringing the ACDs and CDs and regulatory duties, bringing the wall of protection down. But having said that, इसमें कोई ना कोई industry तो मुतासर होगी. I mean, industries which have lived off the protection for the longest time, it'll take a little doing to, and इसमें हमारा मकसद ये होना चाहिए कि हम इनको help करें in terms of transition. तो उसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने एक permanent committee बनाई है where all the relevant ministers are there, the relevant secretaries are there, the private sector people are there, so that we can help with the transition as we move forward in this 5-year tariff reduction journey. तो इसी तरह ये जो आपका ये workshop है आज की, in terms of seeing how we manage this transition, I think is going to be extremely important. And just looking at the participants that you have mentioned, I do think you have the right stakeholders here. And I look forward to जो भी आपकी observations होंगी और जो recommendations होंगी in terms of where we can help, whether it's from the Ministry of Finance or from on the revenue side, to help this transition, because ultimately I do think it's the right thing to do, and it's a win-win situation both for the government and certainly all our colleagues who are going to be on this scheme as we go forward. Once again, thank you for the invitation, much appreciated. Thank you.